Hey guys, welcome in Mastering Angular 15 from beginners to advanced course. In today's lecture, we will see the introduction to HTTP client and observables. First, let's talk about the HTTP client. HTTP client is a built-in module in Angular that is used for making HTTP requests to communicate with the backend servers. It provides a powerful API for fetching data, sending data, and handling HTTP requests and responses. Now we have different kind of HTTP requests. First is GET. The GET method is used to request data from a specified resource. Second is POST. The POST method is used to send data to a server to create a new resource. And third is PUT. The PUT method is used to update a specific resource on the server. Then there is delete. The delete method is used to delete a specific resource on the server. And last is patch. The patch method is used to partial modifications to the resource. Now if we talk about the observables, an observable in Angular is a data stream that emits multiple values over time. It's primarily used for handling asynchronous events or data in an application. Subscriptions are used to read these data streams and perform actions based on the emitted values. Now let's implement the HTTP client and observables. For the implementation of HTTP client, first we will go in app.module.ts file, and here we will import our HTTP client module. And we have imported this module from the Angular common HTTP. Now again we go back in our app.component.ts file, and here in the constructor I am going to import HTTP client service. And now by using this service we will call the function get and show our data. And first of all I need this post variable and its type is array. And now let's write the get call in our ng-oninit function, this.http.get. And this is a third-party library which acts as a backend in JSON placeholder. Now we will subscribe it. This subscribe is basically our observable. And what it will do, it will execute the code in subscribe after getting the response from the HTTP get call. Now we will save this response data in our post variable so that we can use it to show the data on the front end. Let's write a code to show this post data on the front end. And for that I'm going to write ul li, and in li I'm going to write ng4 let post of posts, and in li I will select post.title. So we only want to print the titles of these posts. Now let's run the application and see the results on the front end. As you can see, it printed all the title of the post. As in this post library, we have more than 300 articles. So we just printed the titles of these. And this is the basic introduction of HTTP client. Hope you understand it. Next, if we talk about the benefits of HTTP client, then first is its simplified API. HTTP client provides a simplified API for HTTP requests with built-in methods for all request types like GET, POST, PUT, delete. Second is its observable base. HTTP client operations return RxJS observables, enabling efficient handling of asynchronous operations. Then there is automatic JSON conversion. HTTP client automatically converts responses to JSON, removing the need for explicit parsing. Then there is interception capability. HTTP client allows middleware logic to be added via interceptors, enabling tasks like caching, modifying headers, and so on. Then there is error handling. It simplifies the error handling. Then testability. HTTP client includes testing utilities that make it easy to mock HTTP requests in unit tests. Last is typed requests and responses. HTTP client operations can use typed parameters and return values to prevent runtime errors. This was the today's lecture. Hope you understand it. If you have any question or query, you can ask in comments. But guys, if this lecture is helpful for you, then please like, subscribe, and share my channel. Thanks for watching.